Why is trading not working? You've spent hours backtesting your strategy and practicing endlessly in a demo, but still, why is the trading not working live? A huge part of trading that can often be quite overlooked is trading psychology, and it can literally make or break your trading performance. Whether you trade stocks, Forex, futures, options, cryptocurrencies, trading psychology stays exactly the same. And in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 different types of trading emotions that you need to know to be able to improve your trading performance. So let's get straight to it right after the intro. So let me paint a picture for you. You're sat at the charts and you're watching a stock which is currently making a very strong move to the upside. As per your strategy, you are waiting patiently for a pullback, for an entry long. The stock climbs higher and higher. You feel your palms as they begin to sweat and you feel your heartbeat racing faster. At this point, you decide to just jump into the stock. It's obviously moving higher, you wanted to go long anyway, and you jump right into that stock. As you're in the trade, the stock comes crashing down, resulting in a big red trade. Sound familiar? If you can relate to this story, the chances are that you've had your own experience with FOMO. FOMO, also known as the fear of missing out. FOMO is one of the main types of emotions that can be experienced when you are trading. FOMO is often generated from feeling greedy or even jealousy because you know that other people are taking advantage of a strong move and you're not in that trade, but you really don't want to miss out on that opportunity. FOMO can also come from a strong desire to want to make very quick and easy profits. But as we know, trading doesn't always work that way. So what can you do to avoid FOMO in your trading? Well, simply being aware of what FOMO is will certainly help. It can be really good practice to ask yourself before you're about to get into a trade, am I trading out of frustration, anger, greed, or fear? But you need to be honest with yourself. And if the answer to that question is yes, then don't take the trade. Just walk away from the computer, because the chances are that if you trade based on those emotions, based on FOMO, it's going to accumulate more losses and draw down on your account. Another common emotion that we can experience when we are trading is the fear of losing, or the fear of losing money. Losing is not a nice experience. We're all human and we do not like to lose. Unfortunately, this emotion does not serve us well in trading. For example, we make decisions in our trading experience to avoid losing, such as holding a trade that is losing and that we know is a losing trade, because we cannot face the reality that when we get out of that trade, we have a loss. But as a result, the loss just keeps getting bigger and bigger. Other effects of the fear of losing is not getting into trades or avoiding the market because we're simply too afraid to get into the action because we might lose. Or on the other hand, overtrading and having too much exposure to the market. Once again, it is very useful to be aware of the fear of losing. It can really help to have a solid trade plan to follow, to make trading logical and mechanical and to avoid making decisions based on our emotions. It's strange because as a trader, losing is inevitable, but it is also a skill, one that we must manage and develop. If we allow ourselves to get emotional about it and make decisions from our emotions rather than logical and mechanical thinking, it's just going to end up in more drawdown on our accounts. And finally, this third emotion when you're trading is probably the one that I feel the most and have done, and that is the fear of failure. This emotion can often present itself trading. After experiencing some consecutive losers, you start to doubt and mistrust your strategy. How often do you decide that you need a better strategy after a run of consecutive losers? I know I've certainly done this many times before. The fear of failure can also bring about elements of self-doubt and allow you to doubt your ability to execute trades. It also affects your ability to think positively about your trading career, caused by initial small results or short-term losers. Again, this emotion can be very detrimental to your trading performance and ultimately your trading account. So, 3 common trading emotions. What can we do about them? How do we get rid of them? Unfortunately, there is no internal reset button or power off switch for experiencing these emotions. We are all different and we all react differently to emotions, and some of us might not even react at all. However, there are a few steps that you can take to help you to avoid trading from emotions. Firstly, simply understanding and being aware of these different emotions is key. It will help you to recognize them when you are trading and potentially avoid making decisions based on your emotions. Maintaining a balanced lifestyle and healthy mental well-being can also help tremendously to avoid trading on your emotions. The simple things like incorporating healthy habits into your life, such as diet, sleeping well, exercise, it all helps to build that sense of discipline and good well-being within yourself. Also, having a trading plan or a set of rules to follow in your trading can really help to build discipline and focus and avoid making decisions based on emotions. As well as mindfulness meditation practice, which as well as discipline and focus, it can also help to build that internal awareness. I do feel, as with trading, that it is a marathon, not a race when it comes to emotions as well. It takes time to really build awareness of the emotions and also to build this idea of how to respond to emotions rather than react to them. I think that, as with everything, it just takes practice and time, and it helps to build that experience. I hope that you've enjoyed this video on the 3 different types of trading emotions. Is the one that you've recognized that you've reacted to before in your trading? Let us know below in the comments. Also, if you do have any questions or anything, also include those below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel below if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.